Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims 4 on your tablet Easy Guide. Open your tablet settings and enable sideloading or app installation from unknown sources. Download a compatible Android emulator or cloud gaming app. Install the Sims 4 package or connect to your PC via streaming. Sign into your EA account. Adjust graphics and control layouts for touch, and backup saves to cloud storage. Begin by selecting the install path that fits your tablet and internet speed, either local emulator installation or cloud streaming from your PC. For local installs, follow emulator setup, allocate sufficient storage and memory, and install drivers if needed. For streaming, enable remote play on your PC, test latency, and configure resolution. Always sign in to your EA account to sync saves and check control mapping before starting a new game session. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless to tidy while you game. It handles dust so you can focus on Sims and saves. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Optimize controls by assigning common actions to large on-screen buttons and simplifying gestures for quick access. Reduce graphical settings like resolution, shadows, and population density to boost stability and battery life. Use power saver modes wisely and close background apps to free RAM. If you prefer precision, pair a Bluetooth controller or keyboard and calibrate inputs. Regularly clear cache and move non-essential files to cloud storage to maintain smooth performance and longer play sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.